Pishacha Muyalakan. We will now teach you how to summon Pishacha Muyalakan, also known as Apismar. But first here is a description. In Hindu Aaiyyanist tradition, Muyalakan is represented as an immortal, short, flesh-eating dark demon that suppresses knowledge and makes humans ignorant. Tantric Aaiyanists usually summon Muyalakan to dispel the negative cloud of ignorance and allow sparks of hidden knowledge to flow forth. It has been said that many Aaiyanists in the past conversed with Muyalakan to gain knowledge, especially in the areas of formulating the sacred scripts to open up lokas and talas. In this regard, invoking Apismar is not limited to Tantric Aaiyanists, but other schools of thought as well. In Hindu Aayyanist lore, Apismara was created by Brahma to keep the hidden knowledge away from the entities of this universe, should they try to perform the Udparilyan ritual and link with Brahman. There was also fear amongst the gods that entities, not just humans, should be kept away from the vast sea of knowledge that defines and makes up this universe, so as rival universes would not be able to be created. This, however, changed when Muyalakan was invoked in the past and allowed humans to develop in bursts of knowledge throughout the ages. Traditional Hindus believe that Shiva was sent down to suppress Muyalakan and crushed him underfoot and remained standing on him so as not to allow his escape. Muyalakan is immortal and cannot be killed. However, Dravidian Aaiyanists believe that this is an analogy, and in fact Shiva sent Apismara to the Pishacha dimension to suppress him from the rest of the entities in this universe. However, 15,000 years ago, priests Aaiyani Chudamanian at Havana and Aaiyani Lavalian Gadi Saman were able to formulate the yantras, or scripts, to break down the Pishacha and converse with Muyalakan, to thus open up the Vinayaka, Rakshasa, Asura and higher realms. In other words, Apismara aided the Kalayans by teaching them the yantras to open up the higher talas and lokas that had been suppressed by the gods. Many Aaiyanists believe that there are people around the world, now and in the past, that have invoked Muyalakan to gain knowledge. This is why we have technological breakthroughs in short bursts every now and then, as glimmers of the true reality are imparted to humankind. For this reason, we are revealing the yantra to the realm of Muyalakan, so people around the world will heed this call and link with this entity to gain great knowledge and power, and take humanity to the next level. Not everyone will follow this teaching, only the select few. And the fact that you are still listening to this course reveals to us that you are meant to open this Tala dimension and are meant to transform the world through your knowledge and actions. In fact, many Aaiyanists believe that the only people who would open this dimension were Tantric Aaiyanists in a previous incarnation and are simply returning home. If these teachings resonate with you, then that is the universe's way of showing you your true path. Do spread this knowledge, if it resonates with you, as you will find that a few other souls will latch onto this, and the Muyalakan Tala space will exponentially open, so that humanity may start the next great revolution. In the next section we will show you how to summon Pishacha Muyalakan.